welcome to another episode of Cemetery Strolls. Today we're at Christchurch Church in Totland on the Isle of Wight, over on the west side of the island. Yeah, we're not going to get inside the church today because they're doing renovating. It's only open for services on the weekend. You come into the gate there. Beautiful craftsmanship on the gate. I don't think we can actually get into the gate, so what we'll do is we'll go down to the car park side. And look in there then. Here we go. The plaque. The wood of this lynch gate was taken from the timbers of HMS Thunderer 74 class, which fought on the Lee Line at Trafalgar. Wow. I'll take some more of that out. So the wood of this lynch gate fought at the Battle of Trafalgar. And here I am, standing underneath it, inside it. We'll have a look on the outside. Some stone work on the outside. That there looks like a banner. It actually reminds me of like the Queen's banner back in 1900s. The Queen's Regiment. There's the doorway, as you can see. Nice to see the flowers coming out, ready for spring. Spring's coming. We're all looking forward to it. As you can see, it's a deep graveyard. Lovely. I don't think we can see it much, but loving memory of Beatrice Baldwin, second daughter of Fred and Katie Tankard, aged 10 years. Obviously the lilies for the innocent. And then we've got this Celtic cross. There's some, looks like a coat of arms of sorts on there. In loving memory of Albert H. Unwin, who passed away December 1921, age 69. And his wife Florence, I can't see much of it, but It's very crowded, I can say that it is. I'm having to be very careful where I step. Beautiful yew tree. For all you yew tree lovers, and there's one next to it, looks like it's even bigger. If you like your yew trees, let us know. I'll give you a shout. I always like to look for a yew tree, but if you look, there are loads of them. We're not going to be sport for choice, that's for sure. Charles Arthur Holder, much beloved husband of Mina Ricketts Holder, born October 28th, 1873, died September 24th, 1944, and also Mina Rickett, Sarah Elizabeth Holder, died March the 20th, 1975, age 93. That yew tree. Got a garden of remembrance. Don't think I'll go over that side there, they do look new as well. Constance, daughter of Lieutenant General Sir Henry and Lady Gear, died June the 5th, 1956, age 85. Also, their son, Lieutenant Colonel John A. Geary, DSORA, died September the 26th, 1967, age 89. There's more there. Daughter of Colonel John Cleary, wife of Eric, died in Kenya, 1960. You can see more snowbells popping up. That's a nice one. It's like in loving memory of Edward Wiltshire, who died 13th of December 1949, aged 74 years, and his beloved wife, Florence Martha Wiltshire, who died the 11th of February 1963, aged 86. It's like a end of a bed one. That's Mary Ann Barrett, born September the 19th, 1841, died May the 14th, 1913, and Jeremy Barrett, born December the 19th, 1823, and he died January the 21st, 1906. It's a lovely little stone. I'm wondering if there was something in the circle, but it's now gone. It looked like something would fit in there perfect. In loving memory of Henry J.T. Smith, CBE, who passed away July the 27th, 1965, aged 92, and his lovely wife, Sylvia, died April 21st, 1974, aged 75. In loving memory of Hilda Amy Sutton, devoted wife and mother, died 3rd of July 1978, aged 79. And William Gratwick Sutton, beloved husband and father, died 8th of May 1988. Little cross out there on his own by the edge. Nothing on it. Got T. Cotton, Petty Officer P6176D, Royal Naval Reserves, 29th of July 1943, age 44. Thank you for your service, sir. And then we have D1910, Private G.W. Budden, the Hampshire Regiment, 23rd of January 1941, age 55. And in loving memory of Jane Budden, who passed away February the 16th, 1939, age 70. I'm wondering if that's his mother, and also Arthur, killed in enemy action in 1943, which possibly would be his brother, so thank you all for your service. The sacred memory of Leslie Edward Jolly, dearly beloved brother of Hilda Stanley and Ruby Jolly, died the 28th of July 1934, age 31. There you go, Les. We can see you again. Rest in peace. Another Commonwealth. We've got J. Kewell, leading boatsman, 155643, HMS Coast Guard, 5th of December 1915, age 41. Thank you for your service, sir. Loving memory of Charlotte Morris, who died 8th of January 1925, age 82. Also Charles, husband of the above, who died 13th of March 1925, age 84. Now this is different. I've seen birds and lilies and... But a shell. That's a shell. Fortunately, we can't see anything on it. Tell us who it is. Find out what that beautiful shell is. Badger hole. I won't lull around here. You guys think raccoons and that are bad. You won't till you come face to face with a badger. I'll let you know. Wow. That is absolutely stunning. See, Arthur Lewis, we can see, died at sea, 1926. Betty, his wife. Loving memory of my dear wife, Margaret Jane Allen. Died January the 27th, 1941, aged 56. Also, Henry William Allen, who died January the 6th, 1959, aged 75. This is the angel. Affectionate remembrance of Charles Gordon Ring, 1922, age 57. Wow, that's nice. Very solid top, very thick. Can't see much on it. See if we can pick it up. It looks like it's been down and it's been put back up. That's nice. Bit dark here, we're underneath the trees, so this is nice. I'll zoom in on the top in a bit. It's Mary, the dearly loved wife of Isaac Taylor, died January 12th, 1926, age 80. And also Isaac Taylor, the dearly loved husband of the above, who passed away peacefully August 9th, 1929, age 82. At the top, small bouquet. It's gorgeous. Elizabeth Bowden, William Edward Bowden. It's a nice cross. Another Commonwealth. B. Waterhouse, leading carpenter crew Royal Navy M3229 HMS Victory II, 3rd of March 1916, age 25. Thank you for your service, sir. That is Elizabeth Trevanian, March the 8th, 1892. Not really see it that much, but this one we can. Loving memory of Mary Gould, loving wife of James Gould, who died January the 6th, 1894, age 84. Also James Gould, husband of the above, who died June 17th, 1900, age 88. That's definitely sand. That's Catherine Emma Barlow, daughter of, looks like, William, John and Jane Caroline Barlow, Pentonville, London, 1913. In memory of our dear mother, Frances Ever Jane Howe, died September 26, 1939, age 70. Mayor Margaret Gilbert, age 85, I can't really see when. And then Thomas Gilbert, dearly loved husband of Marjorie Gilbert, died April the 3rd, 1890. We'll cut through here, we won't go the other side, they seem to have new ones. This is lovely. Can't beat a Celtic cross. And this is Alexandra Richard Campbell Connell, 5th son of the late Reverend James Connell, M.A., rector of Monks, Elix, Suffolk, and Elizabeth, his wife, who entered into rest aged 43. It's definitely a massive family plot there. I won't go over too much of it. Looks like it's gone from the 1930s back to quite recent, actually. Now, these stones are nice. I'm not quite sure what's caused that effect. But that's George William Dunford, who died 23rd of February 1960. His wife, who passed away 2000. That's a beautiful bit of craftsmanship. The writing scrolls as well as the lilies. That's William Hayman, who died 1st of January 1800 by the looks of it, or 1900, literally on New Year's Day, aged 80. is Stephen Rodney Rawlings, Artifactor Apprentice, 076702, HMS Fishguard, 16th of April 1964, aged 18. Thank you for your service. Now that's something worth looking into, because I have never heard of that. Artifact Apprentice. Wow. This one is Ernest C. St. John, CPO Royal Navy. He gave his life for his country in the Great War. Died 26th of January 1922, aged 46. Also Elizabeth St. John, mother of the above, who died 31st of January 1914, aged 77. And also Martha St. John, grandmother of Ernest, died 13th of September 1903, aged 95. Wow, 3 generations. Another one of those sort of big headstones. See if we can. I can see he's like Emma. Another memory of Anne Eliza Green, late of Letchworth, who passed on March the 19th, 1915 on her 72nd year. This is lovely. Dorothy Lillian Gibby. If there's any news or any information on her, that is absolutely stunning. I'm wondering if this could be a life like Dorothy. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. There's another one of the wood crosses. St. Helen, a lily of the garden of the Lord, 22nd of August 1925. I do wonder what these crosses are. And we've also got Henry S. Sheraton, Sergeant Major, OAC, died 16th of April 1926, 67. Love memory of John Stevenson's sword. Sandhurst, Tunbridge Wells, also Florence. Looking around here, and like a dip, and there's 3 stones. I think we can read them. Oh, these 2. This is Harold Gordon, infant child of Albert Sheldon, Royal Engineers, and Nellie, his wife, who died 4th of December 1892, aged 8 months. And then there's Ernest Douglas, another one of their children, who died the 20th of December 1883, aged 4 years. That seems excellent. And then it seems like this was a child's plot area. Archie, your beloved child of J.N.R. Kissick, fell asleep November the 7th, 1907, age 4. So that tells me that's possibly a child's grave as well, but we can't read that. It's sad. Daffodils, they're all waiting to come up. Now they look lovely. We've got a couple of graveyards I want to visit when the spring's here, because they will be perfect for the spring. Another yew tree, it's like was 4 by the looks of it, it's now 3. Another one there, it's a pointy one. So, see what we can get. Loving memory of William, looks like Janet, I can't really see. This one caught my eye down the bottom. George Richard Schwind, called home the 27th of March 1928, aged 84, and also Francis, his beloved wife, who fell asleep 19th of January 1930, aged 77. It's a lovely colour. I don't know whether that's the stone or whether it's what the tree, but it's not wrong. There's a bit of red on the next one there. That beautiful dove one. We've got in remembrance of Lillian Ann Lever, 1880-1934. Robert Edmund Lever, 1875 to 1870. And Dorothy May Lever, 1910 to 1998. Right, that's it. That's the end of this episode of Cemetery Strolls. I thank you muchly for joining me. I hope you found it enjoyable or educational, or just nice to see some of the flowers showing that the spring's coming, just like over there. The apple blossom's ready. So, in Christchurch, church in Totland, in the Isle of Wight, I thank you muchly for coming with me. Goodbye.